Hello guys, welcome to my another project showcase. So this project is a laundry system with e-payment integrated. So the e-payment gateway that I use is a Paymongo. You can see here, it's a Laravel Paymongo made by Luigel. You can see his works at the GitHub. I link that package as well in the description below. So let's go and see what the admin flow would look like. So first of all, there's no users. Oh, so we have one here. Let's delete this. Okay, so there's no user. The web application will detect that if no one is registered at the moment, the first person that registers will be given an admin prompt to claim the admin role. So you'll see it in a few seconds. Here, you can see this is the admin setup. It will let it will ask me where my address is. See, let's put this in here. Email and the phone number. Okay, this is the dashboard for the admin. This is the uh, reservation. Uh, this is the reservation page. This is where the customer's data will show and all of the transaction. This is the web settings. You can edit the the, the information we put earlier. As you can see, the account settings and all right, we have the admin. So this is now let's go to the user flow. So first things first, you can see the reviews. We don't have any reviews yet. This will be populated later. For now, let's do a reservation. This is my email. Address. Let's just say Philippines. I choose the full service. Serve. And if it will ask me the payment methods, for example, a credit card, or e-wallets like GCash, Grab, and Paymaya. So let's see how the credit card will work. So Paymongo have a credit card for test uses. We'll use their cards to make our payment. Mm, okay. This is the success payment. We'll choose anything. All of these works. See, right? Oh, it's 24 right now. Okay. My personal details was already filled. Okay, this is my address. Let's just say, okay, let's pay. And it works. So I'll show you what it will looks like in admin. Here we have our ongoing transactions, and this is the reservation page. So I can like say let's put this in dark mode, flashing, right, and pick up completed. So the page was completed. You can see the reservation history there, and it will prompt me to if I want to leave a feedback. Let's try and make one. Alright, we have some errors. Okay, I fixed the code. It says I was searching for the transaction, and this is the review. Let's see if it works. Okay, then the 5 star, I think I put this somewhere between 3 4, and some good service. Oh, it's too short. Good service. Um, Later submit, and we have the reviews. As you can see, this is me. See, it's service. Let's see what the admin will look like. Okay, transaction, it is complete. Customer, and the reservation is not. So let's make another one. So I really like this. Let's say I really like the service, so I reserve for more. And this time, let's choose the Gcash. Let's go pay now. Wait, let's see what will happen if I choose this. Okay, it says the payment is cancelled. So let's do it again. Now let's expire. Okay, nothing happens. Let's authorize this one. Alright, we have the active reservation. Okay, so here the pickup was shown. See, you can see the recent transaction and the recent completed transaction. So let's choose and do this there, right? Okay, and reservation is complete. I'll show you guys what the Paymongo will look like. Mm, hold on. This, right? As you can see, we have the payment. Yep, this is the payment. every details is correct. And let's see. So let's put this here. Let's make a reservation again. Okay. Um, let's do a hot service. Cost me 130 pesos. Let's reserve. Alright. Um, let's put this here. Okay. Let's pick Paymaya and authorize the payment. There we go. We have the another payment, and as you can see, so what this price for 100. Oh, what is, why this a dollar? That should be pesos anyway. 130 pesos should be at the very top, and it worked. Okay, let's complete this transaction, and it's done. Okay, thank you guys for watching um this showcase. Hope you like my project, and I'll link this project at the description below.